Okay. And we started? Okay. So the intro. Bellbloods is was. Hi there, my Bellbloods. Oh, it's a bit too stuctive. Welcome, my Bellbloods, to another video. Welcome, my Bellbloods, to another video. Welcome to another video, my Bellbloods. This is so embarrassing. This is how it feels. Oh my god. Okay. This is the wrong thing. Swoosh. You must be asking yourself, what is this? I already have so much bloopers. Okay. Swoosh. Well, as you can see, I have a very beautiful map here. It has turned night, that's why it's a bit dark thingy. This is our little base, like the main village, that's why it's gold. We marked it, of course. And here's my house. I'm in the blacksmith right now, because dogs. But we also have, like, houses for ourselves. Like, ooh. This video was mostly improvised. This video was mostly improvised, which is very surprising to me, of how it went. Just thinking about it. And creating this huge lore line, it ended up spiraling into something bigger. Okay, I'm just gonna start recording, just talk a little bit. You ready?
Yes.
Right, wait, what am I gonna say right now? Can this car, like, get their fucking brakes fixed? Jesus Christ. Sorry, there was a person that had their brakes go squeak squeak. It's way more awkward to do things on your own, like us saying things on your own when no one is there, you know?
Not right now. Okay?
I think you're talking a bit too soft.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, okay, wanna just redo it, that I just go on the stairs again?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, okay.
I'm not sure what, yeah, I will just improvise, it's okay.
What?
Yeah, and after that, after I like put you outside my house and tell you to cough, basically.
Cough. You vermin. 3, 2, 1. It sits.
I wasn't in position.
I counted down.
I'm sorry.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Triple sure?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. God damn it, I got stuck on the stairs. No, I was like walking up and I was like, don't pee, but no pee. Because I was like, oh, what if I laugh again and I pee myself? And I was like, no. And then I got stuck on the stairs.
Bloopers as well, isn't it?
Okay, let me actually just go to the toilet.
Okay, yeah, good idea.
Okay, are we ready?
1 second.
1.
Shut up.
Person, fix your fucking tires. Jesus.
Okay.
Okay?
I am ready. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, fuck, I put a chip on my mouth. Why did I put a chip on my mouth?
What?
I put a chip on my mouth, like, right before. Okay, I'm good. I ate the chip.
Alright, cut.
Awesome.
Oh, we are so good at this.
We are.
Even though there are a lot of bloopers, who cares? And I was just actively being terrified. Like, actually scared that if I dare, you'd spank me or something. Like, just...
I gotta get in character as well.
Get in character. Let's get my fist ready.
You took
Let's get my fist ready, boy!
I'm gonna kill you, Troxy.
I'm gonna kill you. Do you see this hole? Do you see it? just the hole.
What the fuck's wrong with my hole?
No, like, as in, like, taking the horses out and now people bury you in it.
Ah!
Like that guy.
6 feet under, Troxy. 6 feet under.
6 feet, 0.5. That's gonna be an active argument because I went into your property after you told me I'm not allowed to, and specifically a place I'm not allowed to be in, and I stole from you.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm getting, like, in trouble with my mom right now. I'm actually scared to go. Maybe I should just flee to another village now already.
Tell me when you're ready.
I think I'll never be ready for your outburst.
I'm gonna crash out.
Oh, I'm gonna crash out. You're not mad at me though, right?
No.
Okay. Wow. That broken me from what did I do?
Yeah.
Just me. Just my character being like, what did I do now? What did I do wrong? What are we doing wrong, Finn? Why are you not telling me? I went to them in advance because I thought, oh, I should already get that for you because of your friend. So I already got that. Wait, let me get it.
Show it to me, Rachel. Send it to me.
What the f? Show it to me, Rachel. Who the f***'s Rachel? Are you cheating on me?
No,
Again?
Thank you. Amazing.
Jesus, it was seen.
Where, Rachel?
Oh my god.
Show
Oh my
me
God,
to me,
big
please.
eyes. I love that.
Send it to me,
It
Rachel.
was literally seen in Ohio.
Please send it to me. Oh, now, please.
Oh my god. This is
Okay,
crazy.
Rachel, which one?
I'm gonna ask you about that.
Send it to me, baby.
Send it to me, baby.
Which one is it on TikTok?
Mommy, I'm
Why is she freaking out about Jesus? Can this... The f***ing destroyed tree came back. Wait, let me fix that. Go away. Stay.
I'm the boogie.
Oh my god. Finn, you know you can talk while travel time is going, right? What does that mean?
I'm waving.
Oh, okay.
No. That's a salute. That's a salute.
Oh,
This is waving.
oh, that's a salute. Oh,
This is a salute.
I've never. Okay, that's cool. I didn't know that. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Step aside!
Maybe
Just
some
wasn't too soon.
more power to it. Because it didn't feel like it was like urgent shouting. 3, 2, 1.
Step aside! Step aside!
Fuck you, crashed right into me! We have to retake it. It was beautiful, but we have to retake it because your horse went into my face. Oh yeah, I have to turn off my VTuber. Good that I remember. Before we did anything. Okay, VTuber, be gone. Wait, what? That was like... Okay, redo that bit. Sorry.
In character, out character.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. You walk down here. Then we go back to where's my hole?
I love your character. It's very whimsical.
Thank you.
It makes me think of calling to a service center. Like if you call like a company for servers or like information. I can
Please
definitely
stay on the
help you
line.
with that.
Your feedback matters to us.
Did someone patch up the hole I made? I actually traveled all the way here because... Sorry. I'm
What's the matter?
God, sorry. No, I just loved it. I couldn't hold my laughter. I'm better than this, but I just couldn't hold my laughter. How you were like, look, like just going with your head. Lem, you were standing here. Oh shit, why am I in creative? Have I been in creative the whole time?
Potentially.
No.
Have I been?
Oh, it's gonna be visible in the video, right?
Yeah, I've been in creative mode the whole time. Gosh darn it.
Where is the XP farm, by the way?
The skeleton XP farm?
Yes.
Okay, Finn, if you go into my house, go down the stairs, and then Lizard made a whole road for you to follow because of your bad location thing.
Wow, okay. Oh.
The tube
okay,
in the water.
Applause.
Yay! Applause for yourself.
Yay,
like how they
everyone
did
is
in the how.
afraid of Lem.
Yay! Everyone's afraid. Everyone's weirded out by Lem and Bolt. They're all crazy characters.
I love the crazy characters, though. I absolutely
good.
adore them.
It's good shit. It's
Oh,
good
yeah,
for
it's
comedy.
great.
It's awesome. So yeah, it's good to have those.
What was really, what was really me though? Because one of my online name is Liminal, and my friends often shorten it to Lim. So whenever I heard someone say Lem, I was like, what, me? No, wait, not me.
Me.
Yeah.
Not everything's about you.
What? That is not what I was implying.
I love with you.
Everyone does. It sucks. I'm very easily rage baitable.
That sounds like a you problem.
It is. It is. I know.
I know. Well,
You don't know the afsluitdijk?
yes, that thing that is like up the top of the tail connects to the ear of the Netherlands.
Yes.
Poodle dog.
I guess, yeah.
I know, not I guess. The Netherlands is a poodle dog. You can't change my mind on that.
Most people say it's a lion, but
No.
whatever you say.
It's a poodle.
Whatever you say, Troxy.
Yes, whatever I say. I'm almost back.
Oh.
I see the tunnel.
Oh,
No!
it's because of the shield I have. There we go. Oh, I see your name. I can't zoom in. My Optifine.
I have to.
What's wrong with you?
Everything. Didn't you already know that? Fuck you! God damn it! Okay.
Whoa, no swords? What the hell? No, I just made this armor. I just got full diamond, please. Ah! Stop! I don't work on my
Now it's my time! Now it's my turn!
Whatever, I'll start on the other side.
I think I lost my bow. It's nowhere. Where's my bow? God damn it. I had an infinite bow. Like the infinite shit.
My bow's also gone.
What?
Huh?
Okay, this is weird.
Is it the update?
Is it? Nah. Because Michen had their bow. Why would an update make our bows be gone?
I don't know. Where's my bow?
That is weird that we both lost our bow.
Oh wait, I think I might have accidentally put mine in one of the chests at the skeleton spawner.
Dumbo. Wait, did I do that? Did I do that?
Did we both do that?
Okay, wait, now I have to see.
That would be so stupid though.
It would be.
And even more stupider if we both did it.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Oh, there's one with power 4, punch 2, and breaking 3 and infinity.
Yeah, that's me. What the Why is my bow there?
Chance.
Where did I put it?
I have it over here in my inventory. I think I had power 5 actually.
Yeah, this is mine.
Here. That would be telling. What? Chop some wood for me.
Wow, what a way to ask.
You said you had nothing else to- Ow! I'm not mean to you.
Sure.
I'm the nicest person ever.
Says the one that keeps cheating on us.
What the f- I haven't cheated a single time yet today. I have not. Have I?
Marp. Can you hurry up? You're slow.
You. Making another ladder over there. With shovel? Or not. That sucks.
Ow, cute.
Sleeping on my bed. Ask me out on a date first. Damn. I'm kidding! I'm kidding! I'm kidding!
I'm single! I'm single!
Yeah, me too.
Wanna do sound check just in case?
Sure.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing. Finn.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
I hate you so much. 1, 2, 3. Fucking lizard, shut up! 1. Oh my god!
Stop blade.
Lizard!
Shut up, lizard!
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing. Lem.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Michen.
3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, testing.
Ooh, rebel.
Original rebel
No.
bitch that you are. Okay, Finn.
2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, testing.
You. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing. Lem.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Michen.
3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, testing.
I hate you. Finn.
7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9,
Oh,
testing.
go f yourself, you f***ing bitch! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing. Okay, Finn.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
I hate you. Michen.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Senna.
ER sound testing. ER sound. Yes, good.
Oh my god. We have fucking Spanish, German, and Chinese it was, right?
Yes.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, testing. Finn.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, testing.
I'm really considering of not paying you next month. Michen. Ooh, you're in trouble.
Testing, testing, testing. 3, 2, 1. Explosion.
Explosion?
Explosion. Troxy, you're
Explosion?
still creative.
Like, I know. Okay, Senna.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 testing.
Okay, at least they are saying.
Did you put me in survival? You. You suck! I can do that myself. I'm a grown man.